Have you heard about the recent changes to UK immigration rules? These updates, announced by UK Visas and Immigration, are significant for EU citizens and their families living in the UK. The changes impact the indefinite leave to remain process and the EU settlement scheme, aiming to simplify the system and provide greater certainty for those who have made the UK their home. During the transition period, EU citizens and their families were encouraged to apply to the EU settlement scheme to secure their rights to live, work and access public services in the UK. However, the process has not been without its challenges, with concerns raised about complexity and potential for individuals to lose their rights inadvertently. The recent updates represent a positive step towards addressing these concerns, aiming to streamline the process and provide greater clarity for EU citizens. By understanding these changes, EU citizens can ensure they are aware of their rights and obligations, paving the way for a more secure future in the UK. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates on UK immigration rules and other important topics.
One of the most significant changes announced is the extension of pre-settled status. This status is granted to EU citizens who have not yet lived in the UK for a continuous period of 5 years, the requirement for settled status. Under the new rules, anyone with pre-settled status expiring before 31st December 2023 will have their status automatically extended by 2 years. This extension provides individuals with additional time to reach the 5-year residency requirement for settled status, alleviating the pressure of an imminent deadline. The extension also acknowledges the unique challenges faced by EU citizens in recent years, including the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on travel and employment. By providing a longer time frame, the UK government aims to ensure that individuals have a fair opportunity to secure their long-term status in the UK.
In a move celebrated by many, the UK government has announced the removal of expiry dates for granted status under the EU settlement scheme. This means that individuals who have already been granted settled status will no longer have a time limit on their right to live and work in the UK. Previously, settled status was granted for a period of 10 years, after which individuals would need to apply for renewal. Removing the expiry date aligns the EU settlement scheme with the UK's existing immigration rules for indefinite leave to remain, reinforcing the message that EU citizens who have made the UK their home are welcome to stay permanently.
Section 4. Automatic conversion, simplifying the path to indefinite leave to remain. To further streamline the process, the UK government is introducing an automated system to convert eligible individuals from pre-settled to settled status. This means that individuals who have already accrued 5 years of continuous residency in the UK will no longer need to proactively apply for settled status. Instead, the Home Office will automatically review their records and grant settled status where appropriate. This change significantly reduces the administrative burden on both individuals and the Home Office, freeing up resources and improving efficiency.
Section 5. Clarity and confidence benefits for individuals and organizations. The recent changes to the UK ILR and EU settlement scheme bring numerous benefits for both individuals and organizations. For EU citizens and their families, the changes provide greater clarity and certainty about their rights and their future in the UK.
These changes are particularly significant in light of the challenges faced by EU citizens in recent years, including the uncertainty surrounding Brexit and the COVID-19 pandemic. By simplifying the process and providing greater clarity, the UK government is demonstrating its commitment to supporting EU citizens who have chosen to make the UK their home. For organisations, the changes offer greater confidence in recruiting and retaining EU citizens.
Section 6. Seeking guidance in a changing landscape. Navigating the complexities of immigration rules can be challenging, even with the recent simplifications. Therefore, it's crucial for individuals and organizations to seek professional advice if they are unsure about their status or the implications of these changes. Immigration lawyers and advisors can provide personalized guidance, ensuring that individuals understand their rights and obligations under the UK's immigration laws. By working together, individuals, organizations, and the UK government can create a welcoming and inclusive environment where everyone can thrive and contribute to society. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and guidance on UK immigration matters.